Hey everybody, this is a Hunter Stonington ceiling fan cursed edition. I angled the blade so it goes like super fast now. This fan is from 22nd week of 2012. You've seen this fan a lot before. I replaced the pole chain so now it works normally. Although the extension keeps falling off. Anyways, let's start on low. The chain sounds almost the same too. It's crazy. Takes a while to get the speed, but even low is really fast. Although the thing takes forever to get up the speed. I think that's basically the speed. I'm not exactly positive. But we're gonna go with that. Let's go to medium. It starts to go insane on medium, as you can tell. No, it does not blow air. It actually blows a little bit of air on the top. Let's go up the high. Ah! See, that always happens. It's going absolutely insane. You hear that, right? It's blowing some air from the top, but not from down here. And you can feel some air on the side. Can you hear air at all? Anyways, we're gonna turn this thing off before it blows up. Thank you for watching. Bye.